Hi everyone, today's video is about the new Skinbetter Science BioRewind supplement, and we'll talk about the research, the formulation, and how to use it. BioRewind's secret weapon is the CORExtract, and that stands for cofactor optimized rosemary extract. That is the primary ingredient in this formulation, and the key to this formulation is the way that the rosmarinic acid is extracted from the plant to maintain its potency and bioavailability. This proprietary rosemary leaf extract is rich not only in rosmarinic acid but also in antioxidants. Basically, it's a powerhouse polyphenol that has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can fight AGEs head-on. Now, what I think is so special about this product versus another rosmarinic acid supplement is the extraction process, which is obtained in a very specialized way using a proprietary multi-step extraction process, which increases the purity, the bioavailability, and the potency of the product, which leads us into the clinical trials. BioRewind underwent a 12-week clinical trial with 104 participants. It was a placebo double-blinded trial, so nobody knew who was taking BioRewind and who was taking a placebo. And basically, it was also compared to the effects of rosmarinic acid alone. And for me, as always, the most important part of a research trial is the histology, the skin under the microscope. And Skinbetter Science did do that in this study, and we do have histology slides showing the effects of the CORExtract group of patients versus the placebo, and we see the difference. And we also see the difference from the patients at baseline to 12 weeks after, basically 12 weeks into the study, we see how their skin changed over time. So that is my favorite kind of research, because I can actually see on a histology slide what the skin is doing and how it's changing, whether the product is working or not. One of the interesting things that I found in the trial was that a comparison of the CORExtract from BioRewind against rosmarinic acid alone showed that the CORExtract was 2.4 times more effective at reversing AGEs. So as I mentioned early in the video, reversing AGEs is extremely difficult. Prevention is much more reasonable. However, the rosmarinic acid does reverse AGEs. The study also showed a 30% reduction in texture, 28% reduction in dullness, and 14% reduction in redness. Now, when it comes to the histology study, there was a significant decrease on the stain for 4-HNE, which is a biomarker for the reduction in glycation. So basically, after 12 weeks, it was proven that the BioRewind actually did reverse glycation, which is pretty incredible because it's very, very hard to reverse glycation. As for myself, I can't speak for results yet because I've only just started it. There are 60 capsules in a box. One thing I didn't mention is how the participants took the BioRewind in the trial. The supplement was always taken with food, and in the first month, they took it 2 capsules 3 times a day. In the second month, they took 2 capsules twice a day, and in the third month, they took 1 capsule twice a day. So they started with a much higher concentration, and then they plateaued and evened off. Skinbetter Science recommends that you take 1 capsule in the morning and 1 capsule in the evening, but as you can see from the clinical trial, you could take it more if you feel you have a lot of glycation and you need the help, or if you are on a budget and this is too expensive. You could take 1 a day. Really, anything you take is going to help you, and it will help your whole body as well. Because as I mentioned, rosmarinic acid has benefits for the whole body. Given the fact that we are surrounded by pollution and glycation and AGEs happen in normal, healthy individuals on a healthy diet, I do think that rosmarinic acid is a great supplement. I also think that BioRewind would be my first choice, and I would prefer to pay more than another rosmarinic supplement, only because this is 2.4 times more effective. So you're paying more, but you're getting more. And then you can always adjust the dose. You could take 2 a day, you could take 1 a day. It's really up to you, but I take 2 a day, 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. Other things you might want to know is this product is made in France. This product was actually ready for launch in 2021, but due to the merge with L'Oreal, it was put on the shelf. So this is an original Skinbetter Science researched product. And I would love to know if it's something you would consider, or if you've ever heard of rosmarinic acid having these benefits, because truly I have not. But now that I did some research on it, I think rosmarinic acid in any form is a great supplement, not only for skin, but for the entire body. I think this is a great supplement. I will be taking it. I will say I have a pretty healthy diet. I use a lot of antioxidants on my skin. So if you're in good shape, I don't think the results will be as dramatic as if you're maybe coming off a high sugar diet and you're going to give up the sugar and you're going to start this, then you might see really dramatic results. And again, I would pair this with skincare products that are collagen builders, like the Elastin Regenerative Skin Nectar, like the Alto Advanced from Skinbetter Science, which is an antioxidant serum, so you can keep that oxidative stress at a minimum. And of course, sunscreen, which will diminish that UV damage that occurs also from oxidative stress and damages our collagen and our elastin. So please let me know if you like this video. If it was too much science, I'd like to know. If it was just enough, I'd like to know as well. And if you have any suggestions for any other videos you'd like to see, please leave a comment down below and I will do my best to provide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.